Hello, Preschool Prep fans! Today we'll be taking an exclusive look inside the Kids Club and creating a Milk Box Ski Lodge with Preschool Prep characters inside. Let's begin! First, we'll start by opening our browser, and we'll type in www.preschoolprepkidsclub.com and press enter. Then we'll scroll down to our activity and click it. From this activity page, we could download a printable file. Now let's go to our Downloads folder once it's finished downloading. Double-click on our file to open it. Go to Print, select Print, and let's head to our printer. Here are the materials we'll need for the Milk Box activity. The printouts, a milk box, scissors, and any type of glue will work. And let's begin. First, we'll start by safely cutting the walls, the roof, the windows, and the cool outdoor accessories. If you have trouble cutting, have your parent or guardian help you with this step. And any shape of box will work because you can always cut it to size, or you could print more walls and shingles for the roof. Now we grab our glue and apply it to the cutouts. And then we wrap the wall around the box. Measure the roof and cut it to size. Then we apply some glue and put it to the top. Once we're done with the base of the building, we can add the doors and windows. This is really fun! I love seeing the characters inside the building. With a chimney, only add glue to the folded side, and then install it on the top. And that's it, we're done! Fold the rest of the cutouts and place them around your town. Have fun playing in your Milk Box town. I can't wait for you to share it with us in the Kids Club. If you enjoyed this activity, you'll love all of the fun you'll have at the Kids Club, with a ton of printable activities and exclusive videos. Go to www.preschoolprepkidsclub.com and you can start your free trial today. For more fun videos, like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification.